The preceding video is a HAAS HPCL CNC tool room lathe. This unit is new 2008. It came out of a medical part manufacturer. It's in really good condition. We're running a brief video demonstration for you today. First thing we'll do is we'll show jogging the Z-axis. Now the X. Next we'll show the spindle. We'll start at 500 RPM. Currently it's at 500 RPM. This will be 1,000 RPM. Next we'll go to 1,500. This is 2,000 RPM. Next we'll go to 2,500. 2,500 RPM. Lastly, 3,000 RPM top speed of the spindle. 3,000 RPM. Currently top speed. Again, the preceding video is a HAAS HPCL CNC tool room lathe, new 2008.